You're a woman over 35, chances are you've probably tried everything to lose weight, and maybe you're even sick of food at this point. You're either in a place of, I'm so tired, I don't even know what to eat anymore, or you know what, the hell with it, I'm gonna just enjoy my life because you only live once. And today I kind of want to combine both of those thoughts and help you to use food as your ally to not only help you lose the weight, but maintain your goal and help you feel strong and healthy. If you're new here, I'm Erica. I'm a registered nurse turned personal trainer and nutrition coach. And on this channel, you're always going to find workout tips and nutrition tips that are not only realistic, but geared for the woman over 35 that wants to feel good and look good. So if you like today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's just go ahead and get into it. Now, if you've been on this weight loss journey for a while, you've probably heard about something called a calorie deficit. Now, one thing I'm never going to do is tell you to count calories because that is something that I do for my one-to-one clients and it takes so long. And if I've learned anything after 8 years of being a nurse educator is that most people do not like math. And so nobody wants to do math when it comes to their food. And that is something that I don't think is realistic and I don't think you can do long term. But I do want you to understand calories, okay? I want you to equate calories to energy. Energy in and energy out, right? So how do we get energy in? We get energy in through our food. Now, all food is not created equal, right? Some food has more calories and it doesn't have as much nutrients, while some food does have more calories and more nutrients. But then we also have foods that are higher in nutrients but don't have as many calories. Then we have energy out, calories out. That's through sleeping. That is through right here. You're sitting right here. You're burning calories just sitting here. Obviously, you're going to burn more calories with the more that you do. The more intense your activity is, the more you're going to be burning calories. And so what happens is your body is always trying to balance this. And when you're taking in more calories or more energy than you're actually spending, then your body stores that excess energy as fat, which is why you'll hear people say that in order to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit, which is true. However, for women, it's not that easy. It's not as simple as calories in, calories out. That's why you'll hear women say, my husband will like fart and he loses weight. Women, they just lose weight a lot differently than us because it's not just about calories for us. For us, and I won't go into this in this video, I'll talk about it another time, but for us, we also have to deal with hormones, especially if you're over 35. Hormones are starting to change. And we also have to consider the types of foods that we're eating, the macronutrients. So even if you're on a low calorie diet, if you're not eating the proper macronutrients, then you're still not going to see the results that you're looking for. So today I want to change the way you think about food. I want you to start thinking about what you're eating and why you're eating it. And it's not about creating guilt or anxiety around what you're eating, because if you're out with your friends and you want to have a slice of pizza and a Moscow Mule because you're out with your friends and you want to have a good time and that's what you feel like having, I want you to enjoy that. But what was the purpose of eating that? The purpose of that was just for fun because you were social and you were hanging out with your friends, right? Are there any nutrients in there? Are there anything that is giving you what you need in terms of like health-wise? No, but mental health is also important, right? So it's helping you feel good. And so that's okay. Sometimes we eat because we had a bad day, right? Like maybe we had a stressful day at work and we come home and we just want to sit and have a pint of ice cream. I want you to acknowledge that. Again, I don't want you to feel guilty about that, but I want you to acknowledge like I'm having a bad day and I'm having a pint of ice cream. And why that's important is because tomorrow when you have a bad day and you go for the pint of ice cream or the next thing, chocolate chip cookies or whatever your thing is, obviously I'm telling you all of my things, right? Pizza is my thing. Moscow Mules, actually I gave up drinking last year, but Moscow Mules used to be my thing. Chocolate chip cookies, those are all my like go-to foods that are still in my diet every day, every week or month or whatever. But when you go for your comfort food again, you're able to say, yesterday I had a bad day and I had ice cream. Today I had a bad day and now I'm going for chocolate chip cookies. And you start to learn the patterns that you're creating around food, right? So if you instead think about, well, I want to work out today. Let's just say I want to work out today. what could I eat to give me the energy that I need to get to the workouts, right? Or maybe you came home from the workout and you're like, all right, what kind of food could I eat to help support my goals after this workout? Like fuel my body and give me the right protein and stuff so that I can have the muscle growth that I'm looking for. So hopefully you're getting the point. The point is not to create guilt around what you're eating. The point is to start making you realize what you're eating, why you're eating it, and hopefully you're starting to make better decisions. Like how I think about food is like, all right, I'm going to work. I know that it's a long day of work. I know I'm going to be teaching all day. So what could I eat in the morning that's going to be able to sustain me a couple hours until I can eat my next meal, right? And then when I'm leaving work, I'm like, I want to work out after work. So what could I eat to give me the energy so that I can actually get to the workout? So hopefully you're starting to understand this. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know in the comments. I know that it could be a little tricky, but I really want you to start looking at your food and thinking about what is it doing for you. Okay? Protein helps you stay full longer. It helps you build muscle. Fats need to be eaten in moderation, but help you with absorbing vitamins and nutrients. They also add flavor to your food. They help you to stay full longer. And carbs also give you energy. You can have quick carbs like before a workout because like things like yogurt, a banana are great fuel sources to give you enough energy to get to your workout. And then after your workout, you can have things that are, again, good carbs and protein to help you not only refuel your body, but also help you start to build muscle. So that's what we're going to do this week. My goal is to help you to realize that food is your ally. You're going to use food to help you reach your goals. And so if you could stop thinking about restricting foods from your diet and taking things out of your day or out of your plate and start thinking about what you're going to add in. What are the foods that you're going to add onto your plate, that you're going to add to your day, add to a recipe to start giving you the things that you need. See, when we start to change the way we think about food and think about, ooh, how can we eat something that's going to help us for our workout? How are we going to eat something that's going to help us take care of these kids or get to work? Versus, oh, I can't eat this because it's not good for me, or I can't eat this because I'm trying to lose weight. We really start to form a better relationship with our food and use it as an ally. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be posting more videos all month long about how you're going to use food as your ally to help you not only lose the weight, but feel good about your body and feel strong. It's time to make it a lifestyle, ladies. Until next time, keep shining.